Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G32 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. First of all, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, tap on OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. After that, select Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, you need to tap on one of those options to decide if you want to personalize your ads. You can select Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window and go back to Motorola. At the top, you can choose all of those categories. And from them, choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you will see Allow button. In order to continue with transferring those two sections, tap on Allow button and select Allow in the pop-up, or after tapping on Allow button, click on the switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then go back. When you are finished with selecting, click on Send next selected at the bottom. I will go with only couple of files though, just for example, so I have to click on the chosen ones, like those two, and click on Send as well. In this Here's Some Tip pop-up, tap on Got It. And now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon located above User Guide on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive. So when I click, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!